Hey guys, welcome back to DailyCoin. Designed by Ripple, the XRP token is a true OG in the cryptocurrency market. In fact, Ripple's open source blockchain, the XRP Ledger, actually predates the birth of Ethereum. In this video, we will answer the questions: what's the difference between RippleNet and XRP Ledger? Is Ripple truly as decentralized as they claim to be? Is XRP still relevant, or has the sea of competitors left XRP making ripples instead of waves? While often mentioned together, Ripple and XRP are actually separate things. Formerly known as Ripple Labs, Ripple is a for-profit fintech company building products and services that use blockchain technology. XRP, on the other hand, is a native digital currency of Ripple's ecosystem and their decentralized public blockchain, XRP Ledger. Now, if you have ever tried to make remittance payments or send money overseas, you will understand the issues Ripple is trying to solve. International payments take days, and intermediary banks charge extortionate exchange fees even when swapping common currencies like Euro and USD. Ripple revolutionizes this process, making it possible to send XRP to another wallet anywhere in the world within 3 to 5 seconds. What's more, Ripple transaction fees are almost non-existent. The company claims an average cost of $0.0002 per transaction. The XRP Ledger, or XRPL, is Ripple's decentralized public blockchain network. One of the benefits of the XRP Ledger is that it's far more scalable than other legacy blockchain networks. While Bitcoin still struggles to process more than 5 transactions per second and Ethereum peaks at around 30 TPC, Ripple claims that XRPL can handle 1500 without breaking a sweat. While this might paint XRPL as a superior network to Ethereum, it's important to mention that Ripple doesn't boast anywhere near the same functionality. The Ripple network doesn't support smart contracts, meaning the blockchain has limited use cases and XRP staking is technically impossible. Additionally, Ripple doesn't support common stablecoins like USDT. This means that users are constantly at the mercy of price volatility in the crypto market and struggle to interact with other blockchain networks. The XRP Ledger is secured using a federated consensus mechanism. This means that the algorithm relies on a trusted network of validators to process transactions in real time rather than intensive block mining. Now, RippleNet is a network of interconnected banks and financial institutions that uses Ripple's services. You can think of RippleNet as an enterprise-level blockchain exclusively for corporate use. While XRP Ledger is a public blockchain, Ripple is designed for shifting deeper liquidity through the XRP market. Now, Ripple has been through a fair few rebrandings in its lifetime. Its very first iteration was called Ripple Pay, which was founded as far back as 2004. Ripple Pay was originally designed to extend credit lines between family and friends, but struggled to gain traction. Ripple Pay provided the springboard that inspired Jed McCaleb and Chris Larsen to take over Fudger's system and integrate a digital currency and network of validators. They rebranded Ripple Pay to OpenCoin in 2012 and launched the XRP cryptocurrency. With the help of CTO David Schwartz, the XRP Ledger was born. After securing early support from angel investors and venture capitalists, OpenCoin rebranded the company to Ripple Labs. In 2015, Ripple Labs brought on Brad Garlinghouse as CEO to drive the company's growth. A final rebranding was unveiled, uniting the company under simple, singular name, Ripple. The Ripple protocol and XRP token launched with a vision of being a better version of Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is a revolutionary technology in its own right, it still has some limitations. Namely, the Bitcoin network suffers from scalability issues, making it an inefficient payment protocol. The Ripple network is faster than the Bitcoin network, it processes more transactions and confirms them faster. XRP transactions are also cheaper than Bitcoin transactions. And the Ripple network is more sustainable than Bitcoin. Bitcoin's proof-of-work consensus is 61,000 times more energy-intensive than Ripple's validator model. Meanwhile, the Bitcoin network is far more decentralized than the Ripple network. Bitcoin has over 10,000 independent nodes securing the network. In comparison, Ripple has only 150 validators. The US Securities and Exchange Commission is suing Ripple for selling unregistered securities. This has inhibited Ripple's growth and reputation in the blockchain industry. What's more, Ripple holds a significant allocation of XRP tokens in escrow vaults. While these are not all in the circulating supply, it gives Ripple significant control over the value of XRP price and the Ripple protocol. Anyways, so what's the verdict? Whether or not Ripple is a superior payment network to Bitcoin is simply a question of preference. If you want an efficient and affordable payment method, Ripple is a better option for you. But if you're a blockchain purist and decentralization is more important to you, the Bitcoin network is a better option for transferring funds online. And now, time for the flip side. Ripple is a powerful and affordable payment network with widespread adoption. However, in today's evolving market, competing Layer 1 blockchains like Ethereum, BNB, and Cardano offer greater DeFi and NFT functionality. Ripple's lack of smart contracts makes it far less versatile than competing blockchains. Even as a payment network, blockchains like Solana are far more efficient and capable of processing over 10,000 TPS with gas fees under a penny. While Ripple is undoubtedly a big player in the industry, it has some catching up to do to shake off its reputation as an outdated blockchain. Ripple set an early example of what a blockchain network was capable of and how this technology can revolutionize and disrupt online payment protocols. That's why it's important to know how it works and what it is.